I congratulate the Chinese for beating the deadline to eradicate poverty, beating the deadline by 1 month. So this is a major achievement, and it's almost magical, but the results have been delivered. The model that it presents, model as an example for how countries can eradicate poverty, grow their middle class, and in a way almost achieve self-sustaining, status from the output of domestic economy. What then assures China and nations that are interested in this model is that you can grow your economy, domestic economy, to such a point that reliance on foreign trade is important, but it does not determine the survival of it does not compromise the independence of the nation. So whereas when you grow your domestic economy and grow its resilience, it then means that you can stand up to bullying by other nations. And this is very important for China and for all nations of the world to learn from. And you have achieved national transformation, you have achieved national development over a so short period of time. You have achieved the eradication of poverty. These goals are also important to us. Lead us, teach us how to achieve this. We have copied several ideas from China. You can see that we are setting up special economic zones around certain products, agricultural and so on, that are produced locally, and about 6 of them are being planned for takeoff.